times, you may need to photocopy or scan a document for your study work. The library has several printers that you can use to photocopy and scan documents. To photocopy a document, either place it onto the scanner, or, if you require double-sided copies, place your document on the top feeder. Next, scan your UniCard on the card reader to the right of the touchscreen. If this is your first time using the library printers, you will need to log in using your Aston University credentials and then scan the card a second time. Then, select the appropriate settings as needed, double or single-sided, and black and white or colour copy. Finally, input the number of copies needed and select Copy. Scan document, either place a single page onto the scanner, or if you have multiple pages to scan, place your document on the top feeder. Next, scan your UniCard and select Scan to Email from the available options on the touchscreen. Review and select the on-screen settings as needed, and select Send. A PDF copy of the document will automatically be sent to your Aston University email address.